Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix cannot reset password. This Apple ID is either not valid or not supported. So if you're trying to reset your password and you're getting this error on your iPhone, I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. So I was getting this error, but later I was able to fix this problem. So I'm going to show you how you can fix it too. So before we start the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So what you're gonna do is, so you don't have to reset your Apple ID from settings. So if you're trying to reset it from setting or app store, down to that, go to app store, yes, Safari browser, and search for appleid.apple.com. So go to the official website, then click on sign in, then cancel. If it's asking for you to continue with touch ID or face ID, just cancel it and you will get this forgotten your Apple ID password. Click on it and it will take to you the new page. Then simply enter your email address here. So let me just type my email address. So once you have done typing your email address, then click on continue. Now as you can see, it's asking for phone number verification to reset my Apple ID without getting the not spotted or valid error. So you make sure that you reset your Apple ID password from the Safari browser, not from the setting. You won't get any error. So hope this video helps you to reset your Apple ID password. If it does, then leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.